Now that we've removed the chicken, we're going to take some of the stock, which is now broken up nicely, and we're going to dissolve it in a small amount of cornstarch. We want to make sure to reserve a half a cup, so we're not actually going to use that much. I'm going to take a half a teaspoon of cornstarch and put it in a small bowl. And then we're going to start off with a tablespoon of stock poured directly in. Now, when these two mix together, they will act as a thickening agent. So you're going to want to scrape all of the cornstarch into the vegetable stock. And it doesn't have to turn into a paste. It can be milky like this. Once it is added to the other ingredients and cooks, it will thin everything out.